Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Canva. Today I'll be explaining how to create flyer or pamphlet, and also I will explain how to create a gift card or invite card for any event like birthday or a wedding or any event. So let's go ahead and open the application and click here like flyer and give search. And here you can see you can see a lot of templates here, so you can decide. There are both paid and free versions. You can decide which one you want, and you will also get some ideas on how to what kind of flyer you want to design and how you want it to look like. So that's it. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a blank one from the scratch. Just click on this blank, create a blank, and it will direct you to it's a blank page. And here you can see there are a lot of tools like elements, text, camera roll, upload. You can even upload your own image and all that. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a flyer for a food. So I'm going to create a burger specifically. So I'm just going to add here. Meanwhile, you can also upload any random, and if you have a image of your own, you can upload from your gallery by going to upload and choosing files from your gallery or files, or alternatively, so you can make use of the free versions available here. So I'm going to put it like this. So I'm going to change the background, dark background. I'm going to select one of these like I'm going to select like this, and I'm going to click on here. Here you can see automatically now it went backward, and now I'm going to choose the text here. I'm going to ungroup, and here I'm going to type like summer sale. I'm going to reduce the size or the font. I'll keep it to probably 100 would be fine, I think. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Summer, and I'm going to select 100. Then you can group them together, like select multiple, and I'm selecting this one, and I'm click on done, and then I'm going to group them. So now I can move it anywhere I want it, and also resize it however I want it. And I'm going to add my brand name here, like just grab. So you can see here customize it. Just grab, no, doesn't sound good. I'll make it just burger. So this is how it looks. So you can just go ahead and download it if you want it. If you want to add any more details, you can add and download it. So select PNG. By default it will be PNG, so let it be. Click on download. So that's it. However, you can also do one more thing, like you can directly type here, like menu, food menu. Say for example, if you are creating a menu, you can see here there are a lot of options you are getting, and there are also both paid and free versions. And here what you can do is select any of the simple version. I'm going to select any of the simple versions, and that should be easy to customize. Let's see, a template, add as a new page. So I'm going to delete this one, I don't want at the moment. So actually it is a paid version. In case if you want to remove, you can remove it. It is a lot of, this whole page contains watermark. So what I can do is I'll go here and select any simple versions. I'm going to see this will work. Yeah, I think this should be fine. Yeah, so here you can see I can directly edit here and go on edit pricing your products. So what you can do, hot coffee, dollars, then so yeah, so this is how you can edit. And also you can add your own image if you want to. So all you can do is say if I delete this, so it is asking me to either delete, it is asking me to delete image or delete grid. So actually they have chosen a grid to organize these images. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete the image. So this means the frame will be there, and now I can upload my own. If you have your own image, you can add it to as well. And this is from my previous one. You can just go ahead and add it, so to just go and fit there. That's it. So yeah, you can edit yourself however you want it. So and that's it. So and then you can directly go here and download. Click on download. So select the file format that you want to download, JPG, PNG, PDF standard, or any of them, and then click ahead, click download. So it will download. I was explaining about creating a gift card or invite card, that I will explain in a second. Just go back to home, follow the same procedure. Like instead of flyer, I'm going to give invite, wedding invite or birthday invite. Here you can see it is already popping up. It is already giving me suggestions like what I want for the event. Say wedding invite. I'm going to click on wedding invite. So here you can see there are a lot of templates. You can customize it based on your preference, and I'm just directly going to go ahead. You can also add your own animation. Here you can see there are already some versions like birthday, the animation. So what you can do, if you want to add remove this and add any new animation, you can do that as well. Just say I'm going to delete this one, and then I'm going to replace it with this baby. And yeah, you can change the color to, I'm going to change this color to like, yeah. So there are a lot of customization available. If you want to add anything like your own baby photo, that also you can do with. You can also add a frame, just like add a frame here, and then add an image here, your baby photo. For example, I'm going to upload one image here. You can see I'm going to upload here, so it is just going to take in like this. So that's it. So that's how simple it is. So here now this image I have taken like without background, so I removed the background. You can add an image with the background. So yeah, so this is how it looks. Then you can directly go ahead and download. Click on the file format that you want to download, JPG, PNG, PDF form, or any of the format that you want to download. Just click on it and download it. That's it. So that's it for today. So if you have any confusions, or if you want to add anything, please let me know in the comment section, and let me know what kind of video you want me to create in the next video, on which application you want me to make a video on. So thanks for watching, thanks for joining. So please do subscribe and share it with your friends, and also click on bell icon so that when I upload next video you will get a notification for the same, and you can follow along. Thank you.